Today, we're baking up a delicious treat, refined sugar-free sourdough brownies, rich, fudgy, and naturally sweetened. Perfect for a healthier dessert option. We are using wholesome ingredients like sourdough starter, unsweetened cocoa powder, and maple syrup to make these brownies naturally sweet and packed with flavor. First, let's start by whisking together our dry ingredients. The cocoa powder gives these brownies their deep chocolate flavor. Next, we mix our wet ingredients. The coconut oil and maple syrup add moisture and natural sweetness, while the applesauce keeps these brownies soft. Now we add the sourdough starter. This not only adds a unique depth of flavor, but also helps with the texture of these brownies. Now we carefully combine the wet and dry ingredients, making sure to mix just enough until everything comes together. For extra indulgence, we're folding in dark chocolate chips. Once the batter is ready, spread it into your prepared pan and pop it into the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing as they bake. Let them cool before slicing. And there you have it, rich, fudgy sourdough brownies, all without refined sugar. You won't even miss the sugar with how decadent these are. For the full recipe and more delicious, healthy bakes, visit readnaturalsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural baking videos.